Hey fellow coders, welcome back to my channel. And today we're diving into the fundamental world of HTML with a topic that holds a special place in every web developer's heart, the mighty heading tag. Now you might be thinking, what's the big deal with the heading tag? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about making text bold or bigger. It's the backbone of structuring content on the web. In HTML, we have 6 heading levels from H1 to H6. The H1 represents the main heading, while H6 is used for subheadings. Think of it like organizing a book. The H1 is your book title, and the H2 to H6 are chapters and subsections. Let's jump into some code. Say you have a blog post, you'd use H1 for the title, H2 for section headings, and so on. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about providing a clear hierarchy for search engines and assistive technologies. So, next time you're structuring your HTML document, don't underestimate the power of the heading tag. It's not just a stylistic choice, it's about creating a meaningful and accessible experience for your users. That's it for today's quick dive into HTML. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.